peaceful morning on the green meadow. This area is very reasonable.
What is that? Move out of the way! Help! Please! Help!
Hang on, I'm here to save you.
Come on, you can do it!
5 minutes later.
The rock is gone, but it left a giant hole. Thanks, Hulk.
Thank you.
We need to fix the tracks right away. I need your help.
Meanwhile,
Almost complete. Hello, what? A big hole on the tracks? I need your help.
We're building a brand new junction. Let's go, team!
Go! 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 Go!
a few minutes later.
Hey, we here!
Hey!
Here, here!
Good job! First, cut all the grass to reveal the road. Nice! The ground is clear now! Pouring the sand in.
20 minutes later.
Let's make it smooth and flat!
Come on, y'all, let's do this!
The yellow road barriers keep things safe. Left track. Right track! Perfect!
Hey, we're moving again.
Let's go!
Don't drop obstacles on the track.
Hi! Don't forget to like and subscribe. The cars are still sleeping inside the cave. Oh no! Is the volcano about to erupt?
Huh?
What's going on? Nothing at all. Just go back to sleep. Red McQueen wakes up, looks around, then goes back to sleep. Both yellow and red cars wake up and rush outside.
Probably nothing. Back to sleep.
The volcano's erupting so violently.
Oh no!
OMG, this is bad.
Help me, help me.
OMG! OMG! What's this? Rocks are blocking the tunnel. Lava's getting close. The blue car's still in there. What now? What should we do? Ah, I know. Okay, let's go. There's a tunnel. What are they doing?
Yay! Let's go! Let's save the green car!
Oh my god, they turned into monster trucks. The red truck moves rocks to block lava. Yellow car is rescuing the blue one.
I can't!
Let me help you.
Yeah!
Yahoo, thank you very much.
We need to block the lava, quick.
Okay, let's go!
Thank goodness blue car's safe, but it's still tense. Look, they're stopping the lava together. We can't do it alone, but together we can overcome anything. Finally, they stopped the lava. Unity helps us overcome anything.
You all did very well. Remember, unity and teamwork are the strengths that help us overcome any challenge.
What is going on?
Oh my God!
Be careful.
Sorry, I didn't see it. It is very dangerous ahead.
Oh, come on!
Help! Help me!
Oh no, let me help you.
Oh, come on!
Oh no!
Hello.
Help! Help me! Oh no!
Let's help them.
Here you are.
Oh yeah!
Oh my God!
Let's watch the car.
Come on!
Oh yeah!
Hooray!
We need to fix this bridge right now.
Okay! Come on!
Oh yeah!
Good job.
Wow!
Oh yeah! Good job!
Bye. See you again.
Hey!
I'm so sleepy. After this trip, I need to sleep for a whole day.
Who would leave nails here like this?
Oh my God!
What? Who can save the helicopter?
Hey!
Huh? Hey, man, please save the helicopter.
Okay already.
Go, go, go!
Huh? The tracks are broken. How am I supposed to get there?
Let me help you.
Hey, what happened?
We need you guys to fix this railway.
Okay, let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Yo, 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 yo!
Much later.
But what about the pile of nails and the helicopter?
Okay, here goes.
Hey boy, wake up!
Wake up!
What? Ah, what's wrong?
Here are the nails of you.
Huh? When did I fall asleep?
This planet is so cool.
Oh my God! What happened?
Help me! Help!
Much later.
What happened?
Something big just happened. Team, get ready. Let's roll out. Transform!
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 Hey!
Oh my gosh! Help me, please.
There's a UFO here!
I will help you!
Flutter Blast, go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Hang on, I'll lift you up.
Hooray! Oh yeah!
Hey guys! Let me help you.
Thank you, my friend.
Come on, come on!
Yeah!
It's action time! I come here.
I'll flatten the road.
Oh, not flying yet.
Hey! Hop on! Let's try together!
Let's go! Yay, I did it!
That's amazing. Have a fun trip around Earth.
Thank you guys so much.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, this is a railway crossing. The signal light is flashing. We must stop and check. Doughy sees the tree full of tasty fruits, but how can he reach them? Doughy is thinking, aha, he has an idea. Oh no, he takes a piece of the railway. Railways are important, never move them.
There's no railway, just drive through.
Watch out! A train is coming!
I need your help!
We need your help.
Help me! Help me!
Oh, this is terrible.
The police car quickly calls for the rescue team.
There's an
In
accident
emergencies,
here. I need your
report
help.
to the right
Okay,
people.
we're on our way. Go, go, go. Hurry up, hurry up. OMG, this is terrible.
The crane extends its arm, carefully lifting the train first.
Yeah, thank you.
Next, it pulls the truck back on its wheels.
Thank you so much.
We have to build an elevated railway. Okay, let's start.
But the railway isn't fixed yet. The crane and dump truck get to work. They quickly bring the materials to repair the tracks. Look, the dump truck is pouring sand to build the railway base. The road roller smooths out the ground. A firm track keeps trains running safely.
Something's missing.
Huh? Ah!
Ta-da! The road is fixed.
Do not damage the railway tracks. It can cause accidents for the vehicles.
Oh, look at these cute little baby cars. What are they up to? Subscribe and stay tuned to find out their adorable adventures. That's right. Always stop at the red light. Even the little ones are learning the rules of the road.
I will kidnap the children.
Oh no! Evil Pomni is in! We must stop her! Team, it's time for action! One by one, they are being taken away like dominoes falling. Why hasn't the big truck been alert? So Pomni wants to kidnap them to the color prison. Is she brewing a plan to steal all their colors? The plot thickens! Green car goes to the green prison. It seems Pomni has a color-coded scheme for her mischievous plans.
Please, let me go.
All of the baby cars are in. We must find help quickly. Team, assemble for a rescue mission. Big Truck is still totally clueless. Can someone alert him in time?
Where are the kids?
Now you see, Big Truck? Please pay more attention to the children. They need you.
What's going on?
The children have disappeared.
I know where the kids are. Follow me.
Yes, rescue them from the color prison. Go, go! The mission to save our little friends is on!
Release the children, now. Now.
Yes, break that prison! Come on, girl, you can do it! Pomni, you are being so mean! It's time for kindness and colorful freedom! Yes! Put her in the hole! That way, she can't escape and cause trouble anymore! Justice served! The babies are free! Hooray for colorful victories and happy endings!